Welcome back, outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting parts of camping, cooking in the great outdoors. Whether you're whipping up a hearty meal or just brewing your morning coffee, having the right campfire cooking gear can make all the difference. I'm going to walk you through the essential equipment you need to create your ultimate camp kitchen. So let's get into it and make every meal under the stars a memorable one. First up, let's talk about the Campfire grate or grill. This is the backbone of your campfire cooking setup, providing a stable and durable surface to cook on. Look for a model that's made of heat-resistant steel and has foldable legs for easy packing. With a solid grill, you can cook directly over the flames or use it to support pots and pans. A quality grate is a must-have for every camping chef who wants to take their outdoor cooking game to the next level. When it comes to cooking hearty meals outdoors, nothing beats cast iron. A skillet and a Dutch oven will give you the flexibility to fry, sauté, bake, and stew, all over an open flame. Cast iron is incredibly durable and can handle the high temperatures of campfire cooking, plus it holds heat exceptionally well. A Dutch oven is perfect for slow-cooked meals like stews or baked goods, while a skillet is ideal for pancakes, bacon, and more. Trust me, these two items will quickly become your camp kitchen favorites. When cooking over a campfire, standard kitchen utensils just won't cut it. You need heavy-duty tools that can withstand high heat and the rugged outdoors. Invest in a set of long-handled tongs, a spatula, and a ladle specifically made for campfire use. The extra length will keep your hands safe from the flames, while the sturdy construction means they won't warp or break. And remember, the right tools can make cooking much easier and more enjoyable. For many of us, a camping morning isn't complete without a good cup of coffee. A portable coffee maker like a French press or pour-over, along with a campfire kettle, will ensure you can brew up your favorite coffee or tea anytime. Look for a kettle that can handle high temperatures so it's safe for the campfire. Whether you're a coffee lover or a tea enthusiast, having this setup in your camp kitchen is a game changer. Lastly, let's not forget about storage and cleaning. You'll want to keep your ingredients organized and fresh, so bring along a few durable, leak-proof containers or reusable bags. And when it's time to clean up, a collapsible basin and biodegradable soap make it easy to wash your dishes without harming the environment. Good storage and cleaning tools help keep your camp kitchen tidy, so you can focus on the fun part, cooking and eating. With the right campfire cooking equipment, you're all set to turn your campsite into a true outdoor kitchen. These essentials will make every camping meal more enjoyable and hassle-free. If you're looking to upgrade your camp kitchen, check out the link in the description to visit my Campfire cooking equipment store. You'll find everything you need to make your next outdoor adventure a culinary success. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking around the campfire.